Hi, my name is Dr. Nick Pappas. I'm a board-certified endodontist and owner of Woodlands Endodontics. Today, we will be running through some instrumentation steps for the Z-Evo. This is a cordless motor with a max of 1,000 RPMs and comes with a built-in apex locator and can be used for both reciprocating and rotary files. To turn the device on, press the power button and you will see your screen light up. By holding the S button, it will show you a list of pre-programmed file settings for a variety of systems. Simply press the up or down arrows to find your preference and hit S to select that setting. You also have the option to create up to 10 of your own settings. Once you're in your desired preference, to make any changes, press the S button again, which will adjust your torque, speed, and any additional settings. Press the S button if wanting to change a certain setting, and then press the up and down arrows to get to your preference. Hit S again to save the change. Today, we are using Slim Shaper Pros, which run best at 500 RPM and 2 to 4 torque. We'll do a quick pass-through with the Slim Shaper, just to give you a visual. Like many handpieces, simply insert the file to the contra angle, press the button on the back of the contra angle to release. To use the built-in apex locator, connect the wire to the back of the device. Affix the lip clip to the patient and the file clip to the file. To turn off this handpiece, press the S button, then power button quickly after each other. Otherwise, when it is placed back in the base, it will turn off on its own after a while. The Avalon devices come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, along with a 1-year warranty. Thanks for watching. Now, let's explore the Z-Down.